is Pao. My nickname is GAM. I'm from Z5/1. And today I am going to make omelette. The ingredient is have onions, light soy sauce, egg, and oil. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first we gonna put the oil into the pan. We're gonna put the egg into the onions. Another egg. Light soy sauce. We're gonna put it in the egg. Mix it together. Now it's hot now. We're gonna put an egg into the pan. We're gonna switch. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna wait until it's hot. It smells very good.
Okay.
Okay, we will put the egg into the plate. Okay, it's finished. We gonna taste it. It's very good. Bye bye.